How to trick out Google mobile search app. From Google Now to voice recognition, Google mobile app can do much more than search. Table of contents, PC Mac previously explored all the ways users can tap into the Oracle-like power of Google from their PC. As mobile tech evolves, we gain the ability to bring this digital magic with us into the wider world. Today, anyone with a smartphone can access the global digital super consciousness from anywhere, and this is new mobile arena presents a particular set of opportunities and hurdles. Mobile gadgets can provide us with relevant information based on our precise location or even past or future locations, but the comparatively tiny touch screens cannot take full advantage of the old dependable keyboard interface that has served us so well in the desktop era. Developers have had to devise novel UIs such as voice commands to compensate for the lack of device real estate. Google mobile app allows users to ask questions, give commands, and literally converse with it, and that's really cool if you think about it, and you can set it all in motion by just saying okay Google. But even the best voice recognition software is clumsy and slow compared to typing a request on a laptop. To compensate for these limitations, mobile developers have begun to experiment with predictive tech that attempts to gather information before you ask for it. Google Now, for example, is a uh, datalicious underplay for Google mobile search app and on the desktop Chrome browser that automatically provides cores of information based on where you are, what you have told it you want to know, and what your past behavior has been. Perhaps the Google mobile app uses use of predictive algorithm and conversational prowess, such as it is provides us with a small glimpse of whatever type of secret word artificial intelligence program Mountain View is prepping. In its current state, Google Mobile Suite, complete with Google Now, voice search, and the rest of the Google ecosystem, still very much feels like a work in progress. It's very cool, but does not quite have that future sheen that science fiction promised. Our interactions with machines would be where apt I have noted of the app limitation and where it can improve, but don't get me wrong, there are a lot of every very cool stuff here, and it's constantly improving. In some instances I was forced to rework this piece because the app had been tweaked and improved in the 2 week course of putting it together. Click through our slideshow to see how you can get the most out of Google on the go. Note these tips were tested on a Samsung Galaxy S5. Many tips and features, but not all, will still be relevant with the iOS version of the app, though the interface will vary. 1. Make Google keep it real. By default, Google mobile voice recognition is set to block offense words, presumably so it would not accidentally misinterpret if you ask something like show me pictures of she take or how do I get to Bangkok.